Hi, in this tutorial I will show you the extension Laravel Blade Spacer. In order to install it, go to the extension section, then right here Laravel Blade Spacer. Okay, you will see it here. Click on install. It will be installed. Here is a demo. You are seeing how it is used. So I am going to use it in my Blade syntax of Laravel application. Okay, let's go to open the Blade file under resources, views, welcome.blade.php. Now I will start to write first curly brace. You see that the second one automatically comes. I will give the another opening curly brace. You see that automatically the cursor is blinking and one space in the left side and another space in the right side, and all these are into the curly braces set. Okay, another code I can write is this. You see that the last part automatically coming. If I write now this, you see that the last part automatically comes. So this is a very useful way if you do programming. I hope this will help you a lot. Thank you.